As a mid-level software engineer, I was wondering, will I be replaced by AI? Should I start focusing on learning AI, machine learning, or data science? What the futures might look like for our profession. To overcome this fear and to find a proper solution, I did some research. Here are my findings. The first thing that tickled my mind was if a AI tool like GitHub Copilot can write code for, backend, front end, or any other feature, why it can't write the code for some AI feature? In short, if a AI tool can write code for any other features, it can also develop and write code for some AI tools. So if we are solely relying on writing code part and underlying processes part, we might be replaced by AI tools or a person who is using AI. So the question here is what field to choose. Whatever field we choose, it should be in demand. That's a must. Instead of focusing more on writing code part and underlying processes, we should be focusing more on the implementation part plus the management of AI tools, because AI tools, they will get smarter and smarter enough to handle the underlying processes and writing code part. Another point is that it's not necessary that every project will require to develop some AI feature from the scratch. Most of the time, projects, they have to follow or implement some policies and processes and rules. And to effectively implement them, they need some tools and they can use AI tools. Some examples are OpenAI's APIs and Amazon Video and Image Recognition API for video and image analysis. Now comes the most important point. It's soft skills. I believe soft skills will now matter more than ever. Communicating effectively, understanding a problem deeply, asking the right question, and finding a proper solution, they will be the core and backbone of a skilled person. I believe these are the skills which AI might not be able to replace easily. AI will always require human assistant in this regard. So these are my findings. I would love to hear your opinions and your suggestions in the comment section.